Hello, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Filipino cuisine. From savory stews to sweet delicacies, Filipino food tells a story of rich history and diverse flavors. Grab a plate and let's explore 10 iconic Filipino dishes and their fascinating origins. Before we dive in, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. Adobo. First, we have adobo, one of the most well-loved Filipino dishes. This classic stew, traditionally made with pork or chicken, is marinated and simmered in a tangy blend of soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, bay leaves, and peppercorns. Its roots trace back to Spanish colonial influence, but it's evolved into a uniquely Filipino dish using local ingredients. Whether served with rice or just on its own, adobo is comfort food at its finest. Sinigang. Next is sinigang, a tangy and comforting soup that's perfect for any Filipino meal. Sinigang is usually made with pork, shrimp, or fish and gets its signature sour flavor from tamarind. While its exact origins are unclear, this dish is believed to have indigenous Filipino roots blended over time with foreign influences. It's a perfect balance of tart and savory, a must-try for anyone who loves bold, vibrant flavors. Lechon. Lechon is often the star of Filipino celebrations. This whole roasted pig, slow-cooked over an open flame, is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The tradition of roasting pigs dates back to pre-colonial times, and during the Spanish era, it evolved into a more refined method of preparation. Whether served at birthdays, weddings, or fiestas, lechon is always a crowd favorite. Pancit. Now, let's dive into pancit, a beloved noodle dish in the Philippines. Pancit has various regional versions, such as pancit canton, pancit Malaban, and pancit palabok. Introduced to the Philippines by Chinese immigrants, pancit symbolizes long life and good health. It's often served during special occasions, especially birthdays. The long noodles represent the hope for a long life, making this dish both symbolic and delicious. Kare-Kare. Kare-Kare is a rich and creamy stew made from oxtail, tripe, and vegetables, all cooked in a savory peanut sauce. Its roots are believed to be influenced by Chinese flavors, but the dish is uniquely Filipino, especially with the addition of bagoong fermented shrimp paste as a condiment. It's often served during family gatherings and celebrations, where its creamy and hearty flavors steal the show. Lumpia. Lumpia is the Filipino version of spring rolls, and it comes in two varieties, fresh and fried. Filled with ground pork, shrimp, or vegetables, these rolls are typically served with a sweet or vinegar-based dipping sauce. Brought to the Philippines by Chinese immigrants, lumpia has become a favorite appetizer or party snack, known for its satisfying crunch and flavorful filling. Bicol Express. Bicol Express is a fiery and creamy dish that showcases the bold flavors of the Bicol region. Made with pork, shrimp, or fish cooked in coconut milk and loaded with chili peppers, this dish is not for the faint of heart. It's a spicy yet creamy delight. Laing. Laing is a dish from the Bicol region, made from dried taro leaves simmered in coconut milk and flavored with chili peppers. It's rich, creamy, and spicy, capturing the essence of Bicolano cooking. Often served with rice, it's a perfect complement to dishes like Bicol Express. Sisig. Sisig is a dish that sizzles with flavor, originating from Pampanga. It's made from finely chopped pig's head and sometimes liver, seasoned with calamansi, a Filipino lime, chili, and soy sauce. It's served on a sizzling hot plate, often topped with a raw egg. This savory, spicy, and tangy dish is a popular pulutan or appetizer, perfect for sharing over drinks. Bibingka. Last but not least, bibingka is a beloved Filipino rice cake that's often enjoyed during Christmas, but also a popular snack year-round. Made with rice flour, coconut milk, and sugar, it's traditionally baked in clay pots lined with banana leaves, giving it a distinct flavor. Bibingka is typically topped with salted egg, cheese, or grated coconut. Whether for breakfast, a snack, or dessert, this soft and sweet treat is always a hit. From savory dishes to sweet treats, Filipino cuisine offers something for everyone. We hope you enjoyed exploring these 10 iconic dishes. Which one would you love to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting contents. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious.